What's poppin', family? Back with another reaction for you. Today we got a new Twitter follower on deck. Mxtthew Txylor. I hope I said his last name right. He messaged me last night. He's like, yo, bro, you want to review this single for me? He's like, my name's Mxtthew. It's spelled Mxtthew. I was like, oh man, wouldn't it have been dope if your name was Mxtthew? Last night I was in a good mood, and everybody that came in my Twitter DM, whether I knew them or not, they got roasted. It was fucking hilarious. Maybe I'll make a video about that in the near future. Anyway, we got Mxtthew Txylor, new Twitter follower. Man, if you don't know who he is, you find his Spotify, his YouTube, if he has YouTube, and all his socials, links in the description. Go and follow, sub, do all that happy nonsense. Let him know I sent you. Share the music. Let's get the word out. LGTWO them hoes. You know what I'm saying? If you're liking the content, drop you a like. If you didn't, you got a small dick. If you're not sub. Leave me a comment. Crack that notification bell wide the fuck open so you get notified when dropping a seed. Ready? Mxtthew Txylor. Situations in the rain. Well, actually, it's situations / in the rain. So I don't know. I didn't listen to. I don't listen to him. You know what I'm saying? You know how it goes.
Full of emotion, but I'd rather be less. Said it's clutter, rain and thunder all over me, I confess. Appreciate it if you pray for me, I'll do the rest. Said the situation's fucking with your life, be a test. I got these skeletons in my closet, I'd rather keep them. Folks is getting pissed at me cause I'd rather keep all my secrets.
Ooh, got these skeletons in my closet. Hold on, man. Let me run this back. I don't know what he was saying on that bridge or whatever, but the mix is kind of tight on this. You know what I'm saying? So I don't think it's a mix. I don't know what it was, but it's just very hard to understand.
I got these skeletons in my closet, I'd rather keep them. Folks
just keep getting pissed because I'd rather keep my secrets.
Getting pissed at me cause I'd rather keep all my secrets. Out of commission with convos about these doctors handing me ibuprofen to some type of meds to fix these problems. Had a closet, I'd rather keep them. Folks is getting pissed at me cause I'd rather keep all my secrets. Out of commission with convos about these doctors.
Out of commission with these combos about these doctors.
Handed me ibuprofen to some type of meds to fix these problems.
Give me ibuprofen and some type of meds to fix these kind of problems. Man, if you just prescribe me ibuprofen, man, like, I don't think your problems are that great. You know what I'm saying? Because he'll be giving you antidepressants, not anti-inflammatory. Ibuprofen is anti-inflammatory. It takes the swelling down. You get a concussion, bump on your head. You know what I'm saying? It takes the swelling down. You know.
Home from school and I see in the distance another troubled friend who smile but inside something missing. Conversing about the past like to just get high. So
oh nah, baby, I may talking some real shit.
Secrets out of commission with convos about these doctors handing me ibuprofen to some type of mess to fix these problems. Headed home from school and I see in the distance another troubled friend who smile but inside something missing.
Headed home from school and I see in the distance another troubled friend.
Cause I'd rather keep all my secrets out of commission with convos about these doctors.
We done heard this bar like 4 or 5 times. We gotta get it moving.
Handing me ibuprofen to some type of mess to fix these problems. Headed home from school and I see in the distance another troubled friend who smile but inside something missing.
Another troubled friend who smile but inside something missing.
Person by the past like to just get high as I listened. She was victimized by some nigga that stole her well and left her self-defenseless. A couple niggas to talk to but not enough to stop these moments pushed away by those she thought was in the corner. But I had to go and I hugged her tight before I left. Kiana, anything you need I got you. Only thinking away is full of emotion but I'd rather be less. Said it's cloudy, rain and thunder over me, I confess. I do the rest. Say the situation's fucking with your life, just be a test. Welcome to heartbreak where niggas is bound to lose their minds. Taking
welcome to heartbreak where it's about to lose their minds. Man, I think y'all fools is too young to even know what heartbreak is.
Process abandonment over suicide. Oh, self-esteem and pipe dreams mixed with some family ties, trying to break you down. Take everything plus the youth inside. Relationship. Welcome to heartbreak where niggas is bound to lose their minds. Taking seed and process abandonment over suicide. Oh, self-esteem and pipe dreams over suicide. Oh, self-esteem and pipe dreams mixed with some family ties, trying to break you down. Take everything plus the youth inside. Relationship.
So, man, I'm trying to catch this line.
Heartbreak when niggas is bound to lose their minds. Taking seed and process abandonment over suicide.
Take a seat and process abandonment over suicide. So you have to decide, you know, whether you want to abandon that or whether you want to end it. Either way, there's gonna be an end to it. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, self-esteem and pipe dreams mixed with some family ties, trying to break you down. Take everything plus the youth inside. Relationship.
Trying to break you down, trying to take everything plus the youth inside.
Failing due to my constant isolation. Conversations back and forth with my mans about how my days is. His patience out the process abandonment over suicide. Low self-esteem and pipe dreams mixed with some family ties. Trying
low self-esteem and some pipe dreams mixed with some family ties.
to break you down. Take everything plus the youth inside. Relationships is failing due to my constant isolation.
Relationships is failing due to my constant isolation.
Conversations back and forth with my mans about how my days is.
Conversation with my mans back and forth about how my days went.
Patience out the window, don't got time to figure this out. A situation presently on the rocks has been going south. He said I'd
situation presently on the rocks been going south. Situations. This is all the situations he's facing. Alright.
Then I agree, we both can see the difference. My head are separate ways, but still I love him, so just listen. Jermaine, you my brother for life, so know that this my mission. If it's gun, no brush, just don't go, I'm always around when family isn't. Full of emotion, but I read.
My brother, I'm always around when family isn't.
Said it's cloudy and the thunder over me, I confess.
I'm catching a couple of words every time he does that. You know what I'm saying? I catch a couple of new words. I'm trying to put it together, man. I almost got it. Maybe by the last one I got it.
Appreciate it if you pray for me, I'll do the rest. Say this.
Appreciate it when you pray for me, I'll do the right.
Situations fucking with your life is being tested. I just hope that, like, shit we been through wasn't for nothing, like, I don't know.
Man, he's singing that word like it's a hook. Situation. You know what I'm saying? He doesn't stand that word. That motherfucker 11 motherfucking letters long. I don't even know what the fuck I said. This has a dope fucking vibe to it, man. You know what I'm saying? He's got a dope flow when he gets into the flow. I don't really like this whole like that like the chorus and the or the bridge or whatever it is. And this part, I think this is the bridge, but whatever, man. I'm high. I'm not really feeling them parts, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm catching the first part. I'm catching it.
Head writing on the wall, they've been drawing circles, I can see them. Pictures of my father stressing, not completely out of reason. Help me close, show the affection, type of love, no strings attached. All the exes, I keep working for the good life before I rest. Me and the Lord, we got some beef. Pictures of my father stressing, not completely out of reason. Help me close, show the affection, type of love, no strings attached. All the exes, I keep working for the good life before I rest. Me and the
only X that I work for is the good life, therefore I rap.
Lord, we got some beef. Only words I gotta fuck you. Pray for change, we'll add the F, and now you expect.
Only words I gotta fuck you. Man, that's a double, bro. That's a double, cause I gotta fuck you. I gotta fuck you.
trust you. All I know is they should change, ain't no rest for the wicked. So the hustle never stops for a kid named Matthew, even though I treated.
Oh, and the hustle won't stop for a kid named Matthew. Oh.
I gotta fuck you, pray for change, you add the effort. Now you expect me to trust you. All I know is they should change, ain't no rest for the wicked. So the hustle never stops for a kid named Matthew, even though I treated niggas like they pests. Unaware of how they feel when I push them away, cause I will fuck my wrist up in the evening. Eating breakfast in the morning, I stop doing. Plus don't sleep in showers, home like that's a no-no. Still I breathe, but I ain't cheese. Lost my ex, the only person who gave me some type of peace of mind. Sometimes I hate myself, how could you fuck up? She believed it.
Sometimes my ex was the only person that could give me some peace. Was the only thing that could give me some peace of mind. This shit is fucking dope, dude. This is a long fucking reaction.
You expect me to trust you? All I know is they should change, ain't no rest for the wicked. So the hustle never stops for a kid named Matthew, even though I treated niggas like they pests. Unaware of how they feel when I push them away, cause I will fuck my wrist up in the evening. Eating breakfast in the morning, I stop doing. Plus don't sleep in showers, home like that's a no-no. Still I breathe, but I ain't cheese. Lost my ex, the only person who gave me some type of peace of mind. Sometimes
like I don't know, like my guy's cultural background or whatever, ethnic background, but he doesn't sound, you know, black. You know what I'm saying? His name doesn't sound black either. Saying a lot of niggas. My bad, but you know what I'm saying? I saying a lot of them. You know what I'm saying? I had to catch myself. Not really a lot. Just more than one.
even though I treated niggas like they pests. Unaware of how they feel when I push them away, cause I will fuck my wrist up in the evening. Eating breakfast in the morning, I stop doing. Plus don't sleep in showers, home like that's a no-no. Still I breathe, but I ain't cheese. Lost my ex, the only person who gave me some type of peace of mind. Sometimes I hate myself, how could you fuck up? She believed in you, but I guess that's just my ass. You wanna
What he say? He said
up in the evening, eating breakfast in the morning, I stop doing. Plus don't sleep in showers, home like that's a no-no. Still I breathe, but I ain't cheese. Lost my ex, the only person who gave me some type of peace of mind. Sometimes I hate myself, how could you fuck up? She believed in you, but I guess that's just my ass. She wanna abandon me, she got me when I'm wrong. I think you made.
I think he said she believed in you, like talking to himself, you fuck. I think she believed in you. Huh? Yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and listen to you say that. I can't do it, man. I can't do it. It's horrible. It's ear rape. It's ear rape. The whole song was pretty good, man, and it was mixed good. You know what I'm saying? It had a dope, unique beat, instrumental, my bad. Yeah, it was put together really, really well. And he's definitely talking some real shit in there, in the first one and the second one. So that's dope. Yeah, that was pretty solid, my dude. I think it would help me understand it more, but like if you had a video of it or something, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. It's a pretty solid track. I would not have put that hook or that bridge. Oh man, but it's all good, man. I'm looking forward to more. So hit me up. You know how we do. Yo, fam, y'all know where those links are. Grab them shits. Sub, follow, all that shit. Share the music. Let's get the word out. LGTWO them hoes. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Book me on any Amplify. Link is in the description. Join the channel. Link is in the description. It's 2 levels. $4.99, $9.99. It's a mystery until you hit that button. Until you hit that join button, and it's a mystery what you get. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we see you with a badge next to your name in the chat. You know what I'm saying? My blog space on LG2 website, LGTWO.org. There's a bunch of writers over there, but you know, your boys over there, you know, got a bunch of pretty dope artist blogs. Yeah, I'd say they were pretty dope. 4 or 5 minute reads. Be hella dope if you went and checked it out. Big appreciated. You know what I'm saying? LGTWO and people of the Parallel on Twitter. If you want to follow these guys and find out what LGTWO and Issa Rappo is doing, do that. People of Parallel makes really good music too. He's got a playlist in there too, in the description, along with his handle. It's all tracks that he's mixed and mastered. Check that out. My Twitter, Insta, I follow everyone back. Unless you're a bot or a service, then I don't follow back. Go into the blacklist. My Gmail, if you want to reach out to me on Gmail, leave a subject line, at least. Just anything. You know, small penis, you know, reaction requests. It's a wrap up. Donation link. If you want to drop a donation on the channel, help us keep this thing going. If you're about that life, you're a real one. We got nothing but love for you. That's when I released the merch link. Want to cop some merch? It's pretty dope. Hoodies, t-shirts, coffee cups, all kind of shit. Check it out. Hit me up on Gmail or my socials. I'll give you a personal discount. You about that life? You're a real one. Know what I'm saying? Thank you for rocking me and Mxtthew Txylor. It's been fun, but until the next one, it's a wrap, yo. Peace.